Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The aim of this presentation is to describe the trends shown in a line graph about fast food consumption among Australian teenagers between 1975 and 2000. Today, I would like to talk about how the popularity of fish and chips, pizza and hamburgers changed over a period of 25 years. The speech is divided into three main points. Firstly, I will explain the overall trends in line graph. Secondly, I will describe the pattern of fish and chips consumption. Thirdly, I will discuss the growth of pizza and hamburgers. And finally, I will conclude with a short summary of the main findings. I'm going to start by looking at the overall trends. You can see it from line here that there is a clear downward trend in the consumption of fish and chips, while both pizza and hamburgers showed a strong upward trend over the same period. Well, now I would like to turn to fish and chips. At the beginning of the period in 1975, teenagers ate fish and chips about 100 times per year, making it the most popular fast food by far. However, after a small increase between 1918 and 1985, the line shows a steady decline, reaching slightly below 40 times per year by 2000. This indicates that fish and chips gradually lost popularity among teenagers. Alright, let's look at pizza and hamburgers. As you can see from the line graph, both of these foods became more popular but at different rates. Pizza consumption rose slowly and steadily, overtaking fish and chips around 1990 before leveling off between 1995 and 2000. Hamburgers, on the other hand, shows the most dramatic increase. The line rose sharply from the late 1970s and continued upward through the 1980s, suppressing fish and chips by 1985. By the end of this period, hamburgers became the most consumed fast food, reaching around 100 times per year, the same level the fish and chips had at the beginning. What I'm observing here is the eating habits of Australian teenagers completely changed over time. It's interesting to notice how traditional foods like fish and chips decline, while more like Western-style food such as hamburger and pizza grew in popularity. As I mentioned earlier, this change might reflect broader social and cultural influences, especially the impact of Western fast food culture in Australia. Overall, the summarized to this speech, the line graph clearly shows a downward trend in fish and chips and upward trends in pizza and hamburgers. In conclusion, by the year of 2000, hamburgers have become the most popular fast food among Australian teenagers. Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.